Hey, what's up guys? It is Thursday the 8th of September. I want to show you guys a quick daily chart of the QQQ futures and a couple of things I'm seeing as far as the big three signals and a couple of moving averages. Before we jump in, check out the sweatshirt. It's Kobe Bryant as a bear. How freaking cool is that? But alright guys, let's jump in. Daily chart of the QQQ futures, 21 period EMA, 50 period simple moving average. Check it out. Alright guys, so check this out, right? Daily chart of the QQQ futures, the NQ. We got the 50 period simple moving average, the orange moving average, and we got the 21 period EMA, the white moving average. Of course, we got the big three labels and the big three indicator. And then you'll notice the candles are either gray or blue. So here's the scoop. When the 21 period EMA crosses under the 50 period simple moving average, these candles go from blue to gray. So the combination that I think would take us back towards these lows would be that bearish moving average cross, which we're pretty close to seeing happen right here. That and the combination of the big three sell signal. So look back here, guys. Here's where we're pretty much at right now. We're hanging out under the daily 21. We're hanging out under the daily 50. And those moving averages are about to cross negatively. Should that happen, and if that happens while we have the big three sell signal with that red arrow, I think that takes us back towards the lows. So from a weekly charts perspective, we got that negative moving average cross all the way back here in March. So it done been a while. But ever since, the overall path of least resistance has been to the downside. So of course, no changes here in the weekly structure. But the million-dollar question right now is, from here, and we got Powell today, we got a couple of Fed members, but the big question is from here, do we roll over and die? Which I do think is possible. Or do the bulls have a little bit more gas in the tank? Maybe a little bit more upside for a bounce towards the 50 and the 21. That is the big question, guys. I think the major thing to focus on today, tomorrow, and then heading into next week is whether or not the market can bounce enough here to avoid getting that negative moving average cross. My thought process would be today, Friday, next week, if we continue to print that fresh daily sell signal, and the bars go from blue to gray, right, negative moving average cross, I think in a pretty quick fashion we got an express route back down towards the lows. So if you're bullish and you got some calls here, that's ideally what you want to see over the next couple of days. Right? The bulls have really got to avoid letting that 21 EMA cross negatively under the 50. So keep a close eye on that, and the game plan is a pretty straightforward one. We got a couple of shorts right now on the SPX, so if we do roll over, we'll be in pretty good shape to take profits on the push back towards the lows. If the bulls have got a little bit more trick up their sleeve, so to say, if we can rally towards the 50, kind of get towards 12,500, I think you look to add to your short positions. So 21 EMA, 50 period simple moving average, when those cross negatively, and you got the big three sell signal, all sets up a pretty good short. So, quick video this morning, guys. I got a couple of errands to run before the open, but I hope you found this helpful, and in the weekend watch this video, we will definitely revisit this chart and take a look. So, hope you found this helpful. For those of you in the mastery, we'll be live today at 10:30 a.m. Central. So check out the link in the description. You guys can come on over and take the $7 30-day trial. But for those of you in the mastery, I will share with you the script for the gray and the blue candles during our session today. So I hope you guys find this helpful. As always, we appreciate you being a subscriber. If you're not already subscribed, go on ahead and smash the button. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Adios.